Quickly, I want to show you some of the challenges that new beginner in Revit are facing. And one of those challenges is that this tool can hide your ribbon so that you will not see some of the tool. And if you don't know that, if you mistakenly click on this tool here, you see that your tool are no longer there. They won't be as it used to be. So it is this tool that is controlling it. Can you see? As I'm clicking on it now, it has hidden all the tool, all the icon. You can't see them as they were before again. But it's actually a toggle. This is called ribbon toggle. If you click on this drop down, you see you can select any of them, depends on the way you like it. Okay, so that is how to resolve that issue. In case any of these tab disappear like that, just come here and you'll be okay.